guys, welcome back to another video on Solution Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur faces in your videos using VN app step by step in a simple and easy way. First, open the VN app on your mobile phone. Once it loads, you'll see the option for New Project. Tap on New Project to start editing a new video. After tapping New Project, save it in Project Edit mode. This will open your gallery so you can select a video to edit. Now select the video you want to edit. Once the video is chosen, tap on the timeline at the bottom of the screen to edit it. On the timeline, scroll through the options at the bottom until you see mosaic. Tap on mosaic to start blurring. Select a blur shape, for example. I chose triangle. Then select the face area you want to blur in the video. Adjust the blur size and intensity as needed. Once done, tap the Save option at the top right corner. Your video will now have the face blurred successfully. And that's it. This is how you can easily blur faces in your videos using VN app. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to Solution Lab. Also, comment below if you want more VN app or video editing tutorials.